light through the window, small and high. Mama's hands, they fly so quick, a whisper, a sigh. Grandpa said each thread's a breath, a life, a hope, a fear. He learned it from his grandma's mom, whispered in his ear.
I sit and watch the patterns grow, the crimson and the blue. A knot for every tear that fell, for every dream come true.
Do you feel the pull, the ancient hum, a rhythm in your soul, a tap